Hello, collective. Let me see your situation, okay? You can see this message. There's a message might be for you, but please take it as it resonates. Thank you, Tarot Angels. Please give me another 2 cards so I could understand what is my collective energy. You're gaining some information and you're finally awakening for what's really happening about your life. Still, you're looking online for some more information, and that's what you're doing as of today. You are present to whatever is happening because you are awakening, and it doesn't matter when did I post it. I post this message, as long as you see this, you can take it whenever you saw this video. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see, what are you looking for in online, so we can be sure what your guide wanted you to know. Tarot Angels, please help me. What is my collective looking for in online? As a reader, I'm just curious. Thank you so much. Okay. Sagittarius might be resonate. Something that you're passionate about, that you're trying to be open-minded. So probably the one that you're looking for is the one that you don't like. And you think you have passion in this, and you think that this will be when you can have your successful. Because in the past, you've been struggling in financial or because of negative change in circumstance. You're feeling left out because you're holding on for some people or things and issues that doesn't give you a security. And now you wanted to have a solid foundation. Okay, thank you so much. So this might be a career, so you're looking for something better. Thank you so much. What is our collective? What is your guide's message? What is Tarot Angels? Please tell me what is their guide's message for my collective. Thank you so much. Okay. There will be success in whatever you are looking for. Your guides are giving you a reward in your hard work. You will receive some news. You will receive some news that can make you progress in your movement, and it will be a rush one. But you have to surrender to whatever that you are holding on, and it's okay. I think it's okay to look back, but be open to your communication because you are lack of communication, and you have a lot of self-sabotaging behavior. Stop self-sacrificing yourself. Surrender, your guide said, because there will be a tower where you are at right now. Please clarify what would be the tower moment of my collective. Okay. You need that. You're the one who will make changes in your life. And as of now, you might be strategizing and telling lies to others because you want to make a change into your life. I don't think it's bad, and I don't think it's good, but Aquarius as a sign might resonate, but I just want to tell you, collective, that you're doing something very dangerous behavior. You might doing these things because there's someone spying you and don't want you to change. But if you can speak your truth, yeah, you can run to whatever these people or situation that make you feel bad, and some of these people might cheat on you and tell you lies, but it will still hurt you. You want to make a change because you don't want to where you are right now, when where you feel hurt because they are cheating on you and telling you lies. I don't know what to say. Maybe not all people are bad for doing something, for running away without telling things, or without telling why they are doing it, because I just hope that one day you will come back as strong and tell them the reason so they could change too. If we keep our mouth shut, how would they know that they're doing is not fine? They're doing not good to other people. I wish that you could understand, because English is not really that that good. So thank you, Third Angels. What is the outcome when my collective runs away with these people? Okay. I'm sorry, we only have 10 minutes, so that's why I'm looking at. Okay. Aquarius really resonate. So you will have a misfortune if you will not voice out what there is wrong with their, on how they treat you, okay? Before you go out, you have to tell that they're not a good person and tell them how you really feel, okay? And when you tell that, there will be news, and it will gain you a lot of